welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I made a video for you guys, but it feels great to be back and baking again. So in today's video, I'm going to be making these honey lavender cupcakes. They have a pretty unique floral flavor and I hope you guys can give them a try, so just make sure to keep on watching. So in a large bowl, we're going to add 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it for your dry ingredients. Just give that a quick whisk and set this bowl off to the side. In a separate large bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Give this a beat for a minute so that it becomes pale and fluffy. And then you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar and beat that in until well combined. And then you're going to add 2 eggs. Along with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of lavender extract. Give this a beat until well combined. Don't forget to scrape down the sides just to make sure that everything is mixed in evenly. And don't be worried if your mixture looks kind of curdled. Once we add the dry ingredients, it'll come together. And this part is optional, but I added some purple food coloring to give it the lavender color. Now we're going to be alternating between our dry ingredients and 1/2 cup of milk. So first you're going to add half the dry ingredients, and then you're going to add all of the milk, and then the rest of the dry ingredients. Give this a mix, and that's it for the lavender cupcakes. Just make sure that everything is thoroughly mixed in and be careful not to overbeat the mixture. Give it one final scrape and you're ready to fill your cupcake liners. So I just like to use an ice cream scoop because it's really easy to portion it out. Fill your liners about 3/4 of the way full. And go ahead and bake this off in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, we can make our simple buttercream frosting. So beat 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter just for a few minutes until it becomes really pale and light. Then you can sift in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Just give this a mix and it will eventually come together. Make sure you do it on low speed though so it doesn't go flying everywhere. If your buttercream is too thick, then you can go ahead and add some heavy cream or milk, about 1 tablespoon at a time just to thin it out. And I almost forgot to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract here, so I did that at the end. And give this a beat for a few minutes until it becomes very light and fluffy. By this time, your cupcakes should be out of the oven, so let them completely cool on a cooling rack before you start assembling them. I transferred my buttercream into a pastry bag with a Wilton 2D star tip, and I just did a simple swirl. Then I took some honey, put that into a pastry bag and drizzled that over the top because I think honey goes really well with the lavender flavor. I got these lavender buds from Williams-Sonoma. I'll link it in the description box below. I just took a little bit and sprinkled it on top for the final decoration. So that's pretty much it for these lavender cupcakes. I hope you guys can give them a try. If you have any video requests, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me and for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone!